Hey everybody, Big Paul. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I wanted you to check something out. Mytee Products has sent me out a brand new Pogo stick, 40-inch chrome Pogo stick for my pulling truck here, my BP Bulldog. Look how sad this rusty old one is. Holding my lines up, rusty old spring. So we're going to replace that with this real nice chrome one. They were nice enough to send out. Look at that. That's real nice. Beautiful. Look at that. I'm real happy with the construction here. It's very similar to that one, but it's brand new. So we're going to get this installed. Only going to take a few minutes. Alright, I got the right tools ready to go. Oh, got it off. All right. Okay. Okay, let me get one quick tool. Okay, guys, I'm back. We got this old rusty Pogo stick. It was all full of rust when I was taking it off, falling down everywhere. We're going to get rid of that. We got the new one that Mytee Products has provided. Comes with nut on the bottom, washer, lock washer, everything you need. Put this on. So let's put it on and hook up the air lines. Oh, I already think it looks better. Don't you? Whew. Well, I sure appreciate Mytee Products sending this out for me. Gonna be a nice upgrade to my truck. All right, you guys, we got it installed. I think it looks great. Check that out. Check that out. It looks really good. They give me the top hose keeper. I'm really happy with that. It turned out great. It looks good. I think it's high quality. Yeah, check it out. This thing really works good. Oh yeah. Wonderful. This looks like a great high quality Pogo stick. Appreciate you guys watching. Alright you guys, it's Big Paul. Well, I want to thank Mytee Products for sending me out this Pogo stick. I think it's made of real high quality. It looks nice. I would definitely recommend this to anyone with a truck. So all you truckers, I'm going to put a link. Well, actually, I have a link in my description. And I'm going to put a picture of this item so you can find it. But go to Mytee Products and check it out for yourself. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Big Paul's out!